Hi Sahil, welcome to the channel. Good evening, and how are you doing?
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, very good evening, Sahil. Sahil, can you please introduce yourself for my audience, please?
So my name is Sahil Varankar, and I'm from Raigad, part
Mhm.
of Maharashtra.
Yeah.
And just last year completed my study in BSc IT from Mumbai University, and just now I'm looking job. And my hobbies is like playing cricket, sometimes swimming, and most of I spend time with nature. And
Okay.
please tell me about yourself.
Yeah, why not? Sure. So my name is Dipali, and I'm from Maharashtra, Amaravati. I have completed my post graduation, and I teach online as well as offline. And I'm also preparing for CET exam, as you know that we know this as a BEd exam. So I'm preparing for CET 2026. And I'm enthusiastic about learning new languages. I love to connect with new people. I love traveling. My hobbies are making sketches, spending time with nature, and I love traveling. That is all about me. Thank you so much for asking about myself. Yeah. So, Sahil, please
And
tell me something about your place.
uh,
I want to know about your place. Do you want to tell me something about your place? You live in Konkan, right?
something about yeah, I live in Konkan,
Yeah.
and just I eat some fish because after 1 week later I eat fish because mostly time I don't eat, but here everyone eat only fish
Hmm.
compared to your side because just
Okay.
hair growth means hair increase your growth. How can I say just more?
The demand and supply is
Yeah,
more at your place.
more and more, yes. So that's why everyone eat here fish. Even dog, my cat, they are eat fish. So
Meat.
and their hair growth, yeah, hair production of rice. Uh,
You
how can
guys
I
take
say means
production of rice.
hair
We take production of rice.
production of rice.
Uh,
So a lot of बड़े तादाद पे how can I say means
in the large
increase.
quantity,
How can
in
I
in the
say?
large quantity,
Is
we take
a
production of rice.
large quantity of rice. There are only two, three things: rice, fish, and mangoes. There
Mm-hmm.
are famous here.
And Konkani language
And
is also popular at your place, right? Konkani language.
yeah,
So,
yeah, but
uh-huh.
I know because I don't speak Konkani language, proper Konkani language. Even I don't know 10% of
Okay.
Konkani language
Mm-hmm.
because I live in near the Mumbai because you will be go after 50 kilometer from my area. You will be go toward Chiplun ahead. So there will be many people speak like
Okay.
about Kokni, and you will be go Ratnagiri. So everyone can speak pure Kokni language.
Coconut is very popular at Konkan, I think, right? Coconut.
Mm.
Yeah.
And do you know mostly people just
Most of people.
make mangoes. Most of people just production of mangoes in your side and
Uh,
UP side, and
Nagpur,
they sell
oranges.
mangoes. They are sell mango
They
in
sell mango.
January.
They sell mango in January. They sell
They
mango
sell
in January.
mango. They sell mango in January, February. But here is just started. How can I say? Just coming. The mangoes are coming. Started. Mean
Uh-huh,
mangoes
uh-huh,
are started coming here
uh-huh. Okay.
in
Huh.
my place. But
Hmm.
many
It
people
is available now at our place.
production
It is available now at our
not.
place.
Just mangoes are little. They
Okay.
will
Hmm.
be growth means they you can get या you can फॉलन या how can I say you can निकाल सकते हो. L-
Punk it. You can
I
punk
have
it.
word but
Punk.
now I forget.
Punking. Punk. Punk.
You can punking after two
Not
three months
punking. You can
later.
punk. You can punk mango after.
You can punk
Yeah. It get
2 3
ripened.
months later like
Yeah. Once
after
it get ripened, we
April
can punk
May.
that mangoes from mango tree. Ripen. You can say
But
ripen. Why? What?
you
Why say rip?
yeah
Rip means paklela. पिकलेला म्हणतो ना आपण, त्याला म्हणतात. एकदा
Reap.
एकदा मँगोज पिकले की आपण त्याला तोडतो.
The
सो व्हॉट वी
mango,
कॅन से
okay,
once it
mango
get
will be
ripe,
ripen,
once it get ripe,
reap.
then we can punk it and we can have it.
Okay, so mango will be reap after 2 3 months later. I think ahead April. I think
After April.
after April,
हाँ,
but after April, but many people just give uh, uh, fertilizers, chemical use,
They use
and
chemicals to fertilize.
they they
Fertilizers.
use
Okay.
chemical, and they started because by doing this production will be more, and production will be uh, soon,
Hmm. They will get
right?
they can make it available for in market fast
प्रोडक्शन will be मैं
available. They
जैसे कि
can
जल्दी
make.
होगा, तो प्रोडक्शन will be soonly soon,
No,
right?
no. So they will get production early.
Early, so yeah. Okay, okay. So that's why they use fertilizers. But do you know many people want to sell their mangoes, but their mango came from UP side,
हाँ,
not Konkan,
yeah.
because Konkani mangoes are famous. So that's why they came on UP, and then a sticker from this is mango are Konkani. They growth, yeah, production from Konkan side.
Yeah.
So that's why many people take it. But really the mangoes are came from UP side, yeah, another side.
Mm-hmm.
Because
They
really
come
Konkani
from
mangoes are
outside, but
started
they
production.
pretend that they are from Konkan because they want to sell the
Do you know?
mangoes.
Do you know when I will believe oneself, like everyone can, like you can give me one topic and at least I will speak 5 minutes. Then
Mm-hmm.
I will understand I am speaking not much but 50% little,
Uh-huh.
because we know whatever I know I speak, but you give me one topic, like you speak about your village, you speak about your area.
Mm.
So at least I will speak 5 minutes. So then I realize, yeah, I will speak fluent, not fluent, but speak, because I have said you whatever I know I will speak. But this is a real English, means you give me one topic, you speak about your Konkan. So means I confused this time. Should I speak or not? Because this is a real English.
Mm-hmm.
Because दिमाग पे जोर देना पड़ता है. How can I say? We
Yeah.
focus on making sentences. How can I
Yeah.
make
Uh, it needs lots of efforts and because we have that
effort? Yeah,
efforts
making sentences. I
efforts to make
have
sentences. Yeah.
I have to give a lot of efforts to making sentences.
To make sentence.
But
Yeah.
this is the real English. But
Yeah.
this is a real English, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. So it is very
And
important that
have
you have
you
that
dinner?
realization that okay, now you are what how much you are speaking correct English and where you need to
So
improve.
yeah, that's why, ma'am, I'm just working on vocab, because my vocab is 0%, I think.
It is not like that. You are actually speaking amazing English. What you need to is that you need to read books. I am also reading book, right? I am also learning language with you. We are non-native speakers, right? So we both are learning together.
Yeah, but
Huh.
yeah, but my vocab is very less, means
No,
0%, one
it is not
percent, I
like
think.
that. No, it is not like that. If you have 0% vocab, so you are talking right now. It's like 21 minutes. So it doesn't mean that you don't have vocab. You have vocab, but all you need to is that you need to make correct sentences. You are making sentences, but the need to rearrange it well. You need to work on the sentence formation. That's it. Otherwise, the thoughts that you are expressing are very clear, and I can understand that what you want to say. You are even asking me the vocabulary for it. Even if you are using some Hindi or Marathi words, so totally fine with it. Even the speaker who is good at English and even they use it. Some of their local words. Sudha Murthy ma'am, she does that. She do
I
use
heard
them.
Sudha Murthy ma'am, because I used to watch video 1 year ago, Sudha Murthy ma'am. She speak front of the means she speak front of the student, I think.
She is the wife of Narayan Murthy sir, and she was a
Narayan
first
Murthy.
engineer. She
Okay.
was a first engineer, lady engineer. So I have also read her book and I love her writing. So what I observe is that she speaks English effortlessly and comfortable by using our own mother tongue words. So she is popular for that. Okay, nice, and she actually use simple English. So you can listen to her. So Sahil, thank you so much for
Okay.
joining the session, and I actually enjoy talking with you, and I hope that you learn something from the session.
Okay, man.
Have a great day, Sahil. Bye bye.